In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again, this time to click on Font Settings, and operate this slider to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!